jumper. Old water too. Where? Man, that water's cold.
And deep.
Force sell my owner.
Love it.
Good luck. This sucks, dude. This is unreal. Look at this. Up to my knees.
Good enough.
That is ridiculous, dude.
Hold on.
Does it? It's definitely.
We came out here about an hour ago and it's in the second spot.
It's definitely getting lower back there. For sure. That's crazy.